Hey guys, Chloe Williams here, back with another employee spotlight. So today we're going to be talking to our diesel tech, Glenn. Let's go meet him. Come on. Come on, Fiona. So this is our service area. If you come here to get an oil change, basic maintenance, or the largest repair, this is where it's going to happen. Our diesel corner's right back here. Let's go this way. So this is our diesel tech, Glenn. He is hard at work, as you can see. He is literally inside the engine right now.
How you all?
Hi, Glenn.
Hey, how's it going?
How are you?
Good.
So what are you working on in there?
I am doing some basic maintenance and some minor repairs on the 6.7.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is this your trusty pad?
Yes, this is my trusty pad.
I love
Saves
it.
my chest.
Yeah, there you go. Awesome. Well, we just wanted to come back. I didn't want to interrupt you too much because I know you're hard at work. We just want to say we appreciate you and we're excited to have you on board.
Awesome. Well, thank you.
Awesome. Thank you. All right, guys. Well, Mount Orab Auto Mall is your place for diesel work. If you need any repairs done, stop out here, give us a call, or visit us online.